Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Pepsi is made step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
To achieve that signature taste, the Pepsi formula ratios must be perfectly balanced in these tanks.
The blue lights indicate optimal efficiency right now.
Good, let's monitor the next cycle before we sign off on this batch.
Every product is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how Pepsi is made, art for supreme, from start to finish.